Hello. Hello. It's September 22nd. Hello. September 2nd, and I'm Jazz, and I'm gonna review. Oh,
the Joker.
Okay.
In there. This.
Hi, I'm Jazz, and it's September 2nd, and I'm gonna review this piece of shit sand cookie that tastes like someone puked a fucking. Hi, I'm Jazz, and it's September 2nd, and I'm gonna be reviewing Holland. I can't even say the fucking Hollandia Rainbow Buds cookies. Okay, tried them before. Pretty not impressed. It tastes like shit. So play me out. Oh, hi, I'm Jazz, and it's September 2nd, and I'm gonna be reviewing Hollandia Rainbow Bud cookies. $3.99 at Max, and I had a few earlier, but I'll have some more. It's good at first, crunchy, then it turns to sand in your mouth, and I don't know. I don't think any of the stuff in here is real. I think it's, I don't know. It's like, it's terrible. Bro, don't buy these. Okay? Not worth your time or money. Have a great day. Hi, I'm Jazz, and it's September 2nd at like 3 in the morning, and I'm gonna be reviewing Hollandia Rainbow Buds cookies. That's $3.99 at Max Milk in Garson, where that pitter was. Just anyway. Okay, I've had some earlier, but I'm gonna have some again. Okay. That's how these days. It's protein. And it tastes like that. Rainbow sprinkles. We thought these would be good. Like, they looked really good right away. We grabbed these, but terrible.
Never end too. Can't get to the bottom of the damn box.
Like, I thought I'd be done this in 5 minutes. It actually took me 5 hours, and but it's so disgusting.
Can't help but eat them.
Play me out. Play me out.